floated spot bonding. I don't know if you can see that, guys. I can get my whole hand in there. Look at that. Check it out. Whoa. But check this out, guys. No glue. Okay? Electrical tape around this ABS. Let me point this out, guys. See those 3 holes right there? Guess where they were supposed to be? What they do? Flip it over, spot bond right over those holes. They patched this bottom area in right here, and as you can see, this big seam, look at that. No waterproofing. No waterproofing whatsoever. Alright guys, do I have a treat for you? A massive shower failure. We're going to be remodeling this bath and shower, part of their kitchen, as well as their second shower, which is failing as well. Check this out. Never seen anything quite this bad. Give you a quick recap. This was a house flip. 12 months ago, it was sold for $465,000, okay? $465,000. 3 months after the customer or our client moved in, massive leaks from this shower right here, leaking in past the wall, through into the kitchen as well, and don't even know where to start. Let's show you what we got here. All right, here it is. This is crazy. This was remodeled 12 months ago. Again, the customer moved in 12 months ago, used this shower in this bathroom for 3 months, and then massive leaks. The kitchen is right over there. Everything in the kitchen's ripped out as well. Let's just quickly show you that before we get into how bad this shower is and just what to look for, what not to do. Here's the kitchen. We got our setup. This is day 1. This kitchen was remodeled. It looked fantastic. We actually saw it before they removed all the backsplash and cabinets. It looked wonderful, it looked great. But all the water flowed, just destroyed the bottom cabinets here, destroyed all of this tile work. So everything needed to get ripped out. It's all ripped out. We'll be helping them remodel this kitchen as well. But let's talk about this shower, guys. Oh man. We're removing this subfloor today, completely rotted out. Subfloor there. Let's start off with the curb. I mean, what is that? 2 4x4s stacked. Now, the main reason this shower failed was 0 waterproofing for the pan as well as the walls. No pan liner whatsoever. They did a, not even dry pack, it was just a concrete mud bed with 0 waterproofing, a bad pitch, a bad slope. The subfloor's leaning that way, so nobody used a level. But I mean, good Lord, look at this. Where to start? So there it is, a curb, 2 4x4s. Was not waterproofed. There was no pan liner wrapped on that. We've got a drain that's not centered. Why not? This is a subfloor. Check this drain out, guys. See that? That's supposed to be a 3-piece clamping drain assembly for a pan liner. It is not. What they did was simple. Concrete up to there, 0 waterproofing. That is crazy. Inexperienced. Watch out when you're purchasing a house, when you get involved with these flips. Well, upon further investigation, after removing everything, they didn't even change out the valve. That's original. Removed all the board. Look at that, they just sistered on the joist. All the wood is rotted out. But check this out. I'm blown away. I mean, here's the drain assembly. Again, it's not your 3-piece clamp onto a pan liner. But check this out, guys. No glue. Okay? Electrical tape around this ABS to get their seal or their gasket. This was literally installed like that. No pan liner. They installed hardy backer and then installed pan tile and used thin set to float and get their pitch and their slope. I mean, I'm blown away. Look at that drain assembly. Crazy. Just crazy. Also have a valve that's not centered as well. And as you can see there, look at that pretty good looking spot bonding, guys. Absolutely never acceptable spot bonding. Would you look at that? Hardy backer on this wall. You've got Wonder board on this wall. I mean, look at this gap here. Horrible coverage. They patched this bottom area in right here, and as you can see, this big seam, look at that. No waterproofing. No waterproofing whatsoever. They screwed this hardy backer, this Wonder board, to the studs and tiled right over it. Look at that spot bonding. Holy smokes. It's pretty crazy. Then you got this wall right here. So in order to make up this 3/8 quarter inch right here, they just floated it with thin set. Looks like an inch of thin set right here. This has been floated again. Look at these seams. Nothing is waterproofed whatsoever. This is all concrete. Got a bunch of holes, not waterproofed. And look at this. Floated spot bonding. I don't know if you can see that, guys. I can get my whole hand in there. Look at that. Check it out. Whoa. Wow. I wiggled that so lightly and it just fell off. Ooh, look at that, guys. Coverage, man. Look at that coverage. That's wild. That's crazy. There it is. Spot bonding in action. For all you homeowners and DIYers, if you ever see anybody doing this when they are remodeling or tiling your shower, you better stop them and kick them out of your house ASAP. Unacceptable. And then you can see just crazy lips right here. Horrible cuts, check it out. Look at that giant grout line. I mean, look at those cuts right there. Have mercy. Got some custom profile. This is similar to Rondeck by Schluter, but I mean, what is that? You install profile and just paint right over it? Interesting. So yeah, this is crazy. So again, this failed the shower pan as well as the walls that did not have any waterproofing. Again, you drop a level on this like we did. We have a slope going right into the kitchen behind this wall right here. So 3 months of showering this poor family. Just they have a 14-month-old baby girl. They just moved in. 3 months of taking a shower in this shower. It failed this bad. So it goes to show what not to do and what to look out for when you have somebody remodeling your shower. Waterproofing is a must. And let me point this out, guys. See those 3 holes right there? Guess where they were supposed to be. What they do? Flip it over, spot bond right over those holes. That's the kitchen on the other wall. Incredible. Their insurance is going to cover all of this. The remodel for this bathroom, the remodel for the kitchen, and the remodel for their second walk-in shower. once again, let's do a quick walkthrough. Show you guys this incredibly massive shower failure. 12 months, this was remodeled. 3 months of taking showers, massive leaking, no waterproofing. No waterproofing on the curb. And as you can see, that spot bond action right there. I wiggled it with my finger, it fell right off. So there it is, guys. One of the most massive shower failures we have ever witnessed. Again, it's 12 months old, this rebuild, this remodel. They showered in it for 3 months, and this is what they discovered after pulling some tile off the walls. Incredibly horrible job. If you ever see someone doing this, again, you kick them out of your house as soon as possible. Spot bonding. No waterproofing, no pan liner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this interesting video. Shower failures. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.